I'm Teja Bodepudi. I'm director of Rapport Shoes. So we are a 5-year-old company. So we have launched our first store in Vijayawada, and Rapport has come to Hyderabad today. And with lot of new brands, international brands, lot of first-time brands in India, and different unique services, all curated in well-done package and presented to the people of Hyderabad here. Some of the salient features of our store: we are doing end-to-end customization. So we have a laser scanner. We can scan your feet, and you can select your leather, color, everything, and we'll make the shoe for you. It's completely 100% made for the individual only. And we are doing shoe laundry. We are doing gait analysis. We can measure your posture. We can calculate how you are running. Basing on that, we'll suggest which is the right shoe for you, so that you won't have knee issues or leg hip issues in the future. So these are some of the services that we are offering, and we are getting a lot of international and premium brands into the store for the first time in Hyderabad. So brands like Palladium, Melissa, Eco, all these are first timers in India and as well as Hyderabad also. And some of brands are internet crazy brands, celebrity brands if you can say. So those are like Fizzy Goblet, Aparajita Tour, Kai. So they are very much liked by a lot of celebrities across India. You can say Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Samantha, all these heroines and heroes wear these brands. So this is the first time we are creating a store that has this kind of unique features as well as brand. So everything here is purpose built and made for the premium buyer. Idea is out of necessity only. I wanted something like this. I myself was searching for something in India. I couldn't find it. So I thought, I am from that background. I know what the issues are. So that is why I thought, why not do this? And Hyderabad is the right launching pad for our brand to spread across India. So it gives the right boost to our brand image also. So that is why I have come up with this concept in Hyderabad. So we are offering more than 30-40 brands like that. Maybe it might be sports, kids, women, men, for old age people, young people. So from baby toddler level to an 80-year-old can wear all our products. So it is designed for everyone. Shoe laundry concept is nothing that people are wearing lot of premium products that are they are buying from outside India, or luxury brands are there. So those cannot be cleaned with your regular shoe polish or shoe cream. So we have a specialized service. We can increase the quality, the freshness of the leather, and these shoes have leather soles. So these soles get damaged over time. We resole the sole also. We can take out the old sole and put a new sole. So it extends the life of the product. This is being done outside India. It's already there. But in India, it's a new and novel concept coming up. So right now in Hyderabad, there are few people doing it, and we are the only one who is doing it in the store as a service. Same necessity. I have premium shoes. I want to get them clean. Where can I get them clean? I have the bandwidth. I can get these services done. So I thought this type of thing no one is doing, and it's a necessity that it should be done. Charges are very reasonable. It doesn't maybe shoe laundry for a cleaning of a shoe we might charge 1,000 to 1,500 like that. Sole restoration might take a bit, because these soles are not any regular sole. We have to match what the luxury premium brand has given also. So a customer cannot be given a regular leather sole. So these leathers are specially made and exported to outside countries from Chennai. So we are getting all these made there. So customization, it takes around 15 days, because we make a mold out of your feet. We design a mold, and on top of that the shoe is constructed. So that takes little bit time. So we get a test shoe done. We call the customer to the store. We get a test trial. If everything is all right, we will get it the shoe within 2 days. Otherwise, it will take another week. If there are any changes, if customer is not satisfied, I want this change, I want that change, any changes, it will be done again and brought back. The pricing, it starts from 15,000, goes till 30,000. There is a service charge for the customization that is included. Apart from that, it's all depending on the material that we choose. So each material has a different price. You can choose ostrich leather, you can choose crocodile leather, you can choose calf leather. So there are different leathers, different colors, weaves. So depending on the pattern that we do, it's all just adding like a service. So 10 rupees like that. If you add, no, you'll get that price. So store expansion, we are coming up with our next store in Guntur. We already have one in Vijayawada. So this is going to be our second, and third will be Guntur. And next we want to expand more in Hyderabad. We are concentrating a lot on Hyderabad as of now. We are planning another 2-3 stores because this type of store can't be mass produced. It is an experience center. So this experience center, depending on the location, we are seeing maybe Gachibowli area and somewhere in Kukatpalli, that build. So around 3-4 stores in Hyderabad and later Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Gujarat, like that. So this is our future expansion. So upcoming trends, if you say, there is a lot of technology that is being embedded into footwear also. They are called wearable technology. So few brands are offering a GPS chip in the shoe itself. So it can track your how many feet, how many meters you are running, how fast you are running, and all that information is shared within your app. There are shoes that Nike made that are auto lacing. You don't need to tie your shoelace. With the press of a button, it will self-tighten. So these are different technologies, and the customization is a big leap forward in technology. Before, it was all handmade. Now you have a laser scanner, which is a very unheard of, and that too in footwear world. Needed, but it is unheard of. So these are the future trends. So there's a lot of, even if you say, a lot of material changes also due to environmental concerns. There are a lot of new materials that are being developed for footwear. So few brands like Adidas, they are collecting waste from oceans, plastic waste from oceans, and recycling them, making them into plastic fiber and using them for shoes, making their uppers. And they're making, people are making soles out of algae. So these are the future of shoes. So maybe down the line, 5 years, 6 years down the line, all these get into mass production and come, and we will be very happy to partner, because Rapo is more about a connection between our customer and us. So that special connection, it is about how we serve the customer. That is our main priority. It's not about just selling the brand. It is about how we serve, how the customer is being taken through the store, and how the experience is being provided to the customer. It all depends on it. That is the main goal of Rapo. Thank you.